In this video, we are going to design users profile image for multiple users, something like this. You might have seen this in a video call or as a profile image in a teams or in a groups. So how we can design this? Let's start with a circle. Let's divide this circle into 4 equal parts. Now consider this circle as a square. So now the width of the square is 44 and height of the square is 44. So the inner square will have a width equal to the half of its width of the outer circle, or you can say the outer square. Similarly, the height of the inner square is equal to the height of its outer square, which is equal to the 44 by 2 equals to 22. So the size of the first square is 22 by 22. Similarly, the size for the other squares is 22 by 22. Height of each inner square is 22 plus 22, so the total height we have is 44. Similarly, the width of each squares is 22 plus 22, so the total width we have is 44. So the first image have a size of 22 by 22, second image have the same size, similarly for the third and fourth image. And take this in a circle and clip the circle so that you will get a shape like this. So how this can be designed in a Flutter? So in a Flutter, we will use a stack and a position widget to position the children from the left and top. So for the first image, the position from the left hand side is 0 and from the top is also 0. So the first image is placed over here. Now for the second image, we want this image on the right hand side and in the second quadrant of the circle. For this, the position from the left hand side is equal to the width of the first image is equal to the 22, or you can say the half of the total circle size. From the top, its position is 0, so this image is moved to the top left corner of the square. Let's add the third image. So the third image should be in the third quadrant of the circle, so its position you have to define from the left as well from the top. So its position from the left is equal to 22, which is equal to the width of left image, or you can say half of its total square. Similarly for the top, its 22 is equal to height of the top image, or you can say half of the circle. Let's set fourth image in the fourth quadrant of the circle, and its position from left side is 0. From the top, its height is equal to the first image or half of its outer circle size. So now you have a circle image for 4 users. But that is not for all the cases. Let's say you have the users less than 4. For the 3 users, your image should update like this. On the left side, the image is more wider. And for the 2 images, your profile image should look something like this. And for a single image, you have a single user's image.